Here we go.
Okay, so we're just gonna start. So go to go to garage. Yeah, go to garage.
Your car down, dude. Damn,
Oh yeah, I unlocked that one. Okay, so we're about to start. We just need to make our cars. Go to garage.
I already got my car, bro.
Okay. Not too bad.
I have everything except that one and the other one.
You don't have the zippy?
No, I don't have it. Bam! Dude, it's good. But this one, no.
I don't have the domino. Wait,
Let me see the community
I mean the
flags.
Batman.
The community flags. Known as community flags. Country flags. Country flags. United States. Venezuela. I'm gonna get United
Dude, it's
States.
glitching out.
I know, dude. There. Damn it! Okay, you can. I already have my butt.
Perdón, Erika, pero Jimena quiere su cosa.
Bueno.
Ay, es cierto.
Low battery.
JK.
It's not working.
It has low battery, dude. Ah!
That intro though.
What is this, bro?
He
Look.
broke his tooth. Okay.
No! Dude, I have something right here.
I don't know what
5-degree burns!
29-degree burns. 1,000-degree knife versus your face. Okay, so we're ready to record. We've changed everything. Mercy is 5-0.
Damn it.
And we're about to start. Let's go. I'm the one on the right. I'm blue. Oh wait, you're orange.
I'm blue. I'm blue.
Wait, I didn't even join.
I-
I didn't even join. There we go. I'm gonna be blue.
I'm gonna be orange again. Get your engines ready! Damn it!
Yes, 1-0. Last
Ah!
time 1-0 down. Okay, that song's stuck in my head. Let's go. You're like, I'm just too good at this, bro.
Guess what? I'm goalie! Damn it.
2-0 because of that dumb mistake, Gerardo.
Dumb.
Okay, come on. Regular engine. Blast off! Oh God, you do that.
What? I still
Okay,
scored!
watch this replay. This is legit. You guys need to see this. How did I do this?
Oh, dude. What is this? No, skip it. Skip it.
I'm gonna just say that was legit. That was legitness.
Yeah, that was legit.
Yeah. Also, this is a really important match because
Damn it! Okay.
no. Oh.
That was legit.
Yes.
What?
4-0. If I score one more time, I already won because 5-0 is the forfeit. Like forfeit.
Why
Oh.
you get so close?
We're both always the same, bro. England is my city.
Yeah, sure it does.
That aggravates him. Okay, I need to get this boost. Get this.
Whoa.
Ball cam. Oh, he was right there.
Damn it, dude!
Oh, Jesus.
Dude, Jesus, what are you doing?
I'm mad.
Yeah, sure.
No, dude.
Damn it!
I won. Let's
You
go.
won.
First game to me. I just need to do a little celebration. You guys like my celebration? Gab. Okay, there. That was enough. But yeah, we're also drinking this. Hashtag not sponsored. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Turn on the lights quickly. Because this is really, really good.
They didn't even see that.
Man. Okay, just turn them on. This is for not seeing me, Dad. Dad. Okay, so this is what we're eating right now. It's so good. It's called Lucas Gusano. It's like this.
That fires me up!
Okay, come on, calm down. It's really, really like sour. If you don't like sour, then this isn't for you. But it's a Mexican candy. It's so good. Yeah, guys.
Oh my god. Woo.
Okay.
I need to be calm with you.
How about? Okay. How about next game? Next game.
Dude, I think I just ran out of it.
Game.
Never mind.
Next game because I might be leaving in a bit. Next game.
Don't leave, bro. I'm so sad. I'm so bored.
Good. No, I'm just kidding. Orange one. Okay. Woo! This is gonna be fired up.
Oh!
No, 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 no.
First goal of the day.
No, I feel like that's what I get for the other game.
I did a triple backflip, bro.
Woo! That's super sour. I like it. I know you like me. I know you want me. How does it keep going on my side? You're just an expert.
Yo! Yo! Oh, whoa!
What? I gotta watch this.
Look, dude. Like, I'm just like, I'm pro. I'm like, I'm gonna make it.
That was top bins.
Yeah.
Whew! Come here, aggravate. Quick match. Come on. There we go, boys. We done, boys.
No, damn it!
This guy screams damn it when something happens. It's funny. He's like, oh no, damn it. Fiddlesticks.
Fiddlesticks! Get out of my way, sucker. Wait, fiddlesticks. Fiddlesticks? Wait, never mind. Whoop, whoop, and reverse. What the heck?
Oh,
What the heck was
savage.
that? Savage. Savage skills.
Savage goes like, let
I
me,
just had it on my
Mr.
tablet.
Let me, Mr. Steal your goal.
Damn, what was that? Oh. Just keep it, dude.
But I was drinking my juice, bro. It's my protein shake.
Oh! Can you please make
No, 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 no. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, go.
Where the heck is it? No!
Where the heck is it? Where the heck is it?
No! Okay, please don't make it.
Yes, yes, yes. That was an own goal. That was
I'm like,
spontaneous.
No! Please don't make it. No. Damn it!
Woo, I keep drinking the drink. It hurts my throat,
Dude, the controller.
but I like it. It vibrates.
Gotcha! What was that?
That screamed. That scared like millions of people in China. And if you didn't know, we live in US, and Donald Trump likes China.
Damn it! No. Ah! This is for my mommy!
This is the comeback song.
Damn it!
Fires now.
Oh yeah.
This got me aggravated.
Rev your engines!
From
Go! This is my mommy!
Can I? Bruh, triggered.
Go. No, yes!
No.
No! Go. Yes!
God, and I could have saved that, dude. I could have saved that. Oh dang, the control.
My control?
The control, it vibrated and it just like fell off.
That was like the best goal in history, dude.
Oh, no own goal.
Damn, I forgot to rev my engine.
No revving your engine for you, mister. Okay, this is like really important because I don't want to get shot by that nerd.
No!
Bro, calm down. What did I say? Damn it! Ooh, that Rabona hit.
Damn it!
Woo! I didn't even know where the ball was at.
Damn it!
Guys, I think he's high.
Yeah! Damn it!
Yes.
Damn it!
One more goal,
my-
let's go. Don't vibrate and fall off again.
Okay. See that?
That almost fell off. No, I didn't get to rev my engine. Daddy, I didn't get to rev my engine. Meow. 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 I like turtles, Daddy. Daddy, I like turtles. I like turtles. There was this guy named
Isn't
Thomas,
everybody?
and he liked trains. And then he got ran over by one, and he's like, man, I hate these trains. Next go wins.
Let's go wins. You made that goal, dude. Look, you're like,
I should have just let it go on.
Next go wins. Better win this.
Oh, wait, dude. Your sister's coming. Say Potato, potato, tomato, tomato, panada.
Go!
That rap though. No.
Go! Damn it!
Oh man, let me steal your power up.
Damn it!
I think you took it way too far, mister. Oh, juke you. Boy, get juked. Get them juke skills.
Yeah, get you.
You do not slide tackle people just because you got juked.
Yeah! What was that?
That was straight up.
No!
A potato.
Potato.
Potato flew around my room before you came so soon. No, that was my chance to be Lionel Messi. Last minute.
Lionel Messi.
I meant Messi, dude. I hate that people are like, Lionel Messi. Like, bro, it's Messi. Get it right.
No! Oh! Guess what? I am the one. I am the one.
No!
Oh, Lionel Messi.
Lionel Messi.
What? I am the one.
The one, yes, I don't need a gun to get respect from on the streets. Under the sun, the best of sun, I am the one. I know I am. Cause my mom,
You said so.
She said I'm the one that put my pants.
I am the one that's the bastard.
Okay, that was kind of scary.
And
They're scaring the kids.
And
I am the one.
this is a kid-friendly channel.
Kids
Let the bastard live on the street. No. What was that?
No!
I won! Yes!
I need to win the next game or I lose. Oh, I know.
Oh yeah, I'm the winner. Oh yeah.
Daddy, I put my pants. Okay, wow, cow school.
I got nothing, bro. I won and I didn't get anything.
Okay, guys, the world is gonna end. I ran out of my juice.
Damn it.
You ran out like 5 years ago.
Rev your engines and
What was that, dude?
it's a bit anticlimactic, don't you think? Where is it? Let the bastard live on the streets.
Daddy, I quit.
You were like. Booyah, sucker! Swap. Booyah, sucker! Damn, dude, where'd it go? No! One.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster,
Yeah.
a real gangster. Look,
One.
look, I'm just like watching me go, and I'm like, oh man, where's the popcorn? And he's coming, I'm like, yeah, I should just tap it in. Boop. Woo!
Where the heck did that ball go? Dude, that ball went flying!
Potato salad went fine when I was a potato. Potato.
Of course, potato.
Potato head.
Potato!
Potato, potato, tomato, panada. I'm trying to rap. Panada. Example, Deji, them. Whoop. Boy, you can hit that ball, but I'ma hit it again, cause I'm a savage.
Where's the ball, dude? I just want to win this match.
No, you can't, Mr. Savage. Mr. Savage. Winning this game is unavailable.
No! Oh!
At this moment. Winning this game is unavailable at this moment, Samara. Sorry, but sorry to you.
Damn it, I opened the menu! Like, where is it?
Oh, I didn't even know where it was. I needed a boost right there.
That looks so funny. Like, I'm like, where is it?
Okay, right now we'll just time lapse and we'll tell you guys who won. I won. Yeah. Okay. We'll see you guys outside when I shoot
Wait
him.
for me!
Okay, let's go outside.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, look at that face. That little sad face. I'm about to shoot him, and let's go. With this
I
baby.
am so sad.
Okay, I'm gonna be from far because I don't.
Dude, I'm gonna collapse this up right.
You are?
Yeah.
Dang, that's kind of sad.
Ah. You're kind of too
Wait,
close.
first let me shoot it up.
No, dude.
Fine.
Fine, yeah. Ah, damn it!
Okay, one more. Last one. Last one. Oh, I missed. Okay, there.
Dude, where'd the bullet go?
In your pocket.
No, the other one. Oh, it's over here. Where?
Okay, I imagine that hurt a lot, so he gets.
Pick it right there.
Shoot it. Animal cruelty. No, we're not gonna shoot this. Bye, guys. Video's over. We're not gonna shoot this.
No.
Fine, but animal cruelty is gonna kill us now.
Yeah. Nobody cares, Jorge.
Thanks, here. I don't want to get shot down.
Where's it? Okay. This animal right here.
Is it I get shot in 3, 2, 1?
The heck? Where'd the bullet go?
It didn't even shoot the bullet, but it fell to the ground. Did you guys see that?
Yeah.
Look in this now. Look in the gun. The bullet's barely in. I shot it and it didn't. It jumped. Okay, it's right there.
Where?
Put it in 3.
Where is it? Where is it?
Right here.
Oh, right there.
Ready? 3,
Wait. Where is it? There.
3, 2, 1. Oh, that was a clean shot. I feel bad. Oh, it's screaming in agony.
By the way, where'd the bullet go?
Oh, bullets over there.
Oh.
Look at it. It's
Did
over there. Oh, I feel so bad.
Did you guys see that? Dude, what the heck is that? Oh, no.
Dude, what the heck?
Dude,
Okay.
it's like a spider there.
Well, that was it, guys. Bye.
Wait, damn it. Okay.
We need to do this
Wait.
intro on our faces. Sup, guys? Yeah, that was it.
Yeah,
Oh,
that
wait.
was it.
It's not over yet. I'm going to let Gerardo shoot at me once.
Yes!
Once only, though.
I'm aiming for the head.
Nah, bro. Did it actually hurt a lot?
No.
Oh, did it hurt? So I'm not. Oh, dang, my pot almost fell.
What did you do?
Nothing. Get this stand up. Okay, stop.
Damn it!
Wait, check. Is the bullet in now?
Yeah. Damn it, man!
No, that's it. You had 2 in there?
Yeah.
Actually, they didn't even hurt. Go back, guys.
Wait!
Oh, to end it, we should shoot the phone.
Yeah.
Shoot the phone. But actually, no, never mind. I don't want to break my iPod, bro. Guys, see ya. Bye.
No!